Hi, welcome back. In today's video, we would like to write a program that demonstrates method overriding in a parent vehicle class and child classes car and bike. So we discussed that there are different types of polymorphism. In this video, we are going to have a coding exercise in which we are working with overriding. Here is our class called vehicle. It has a function called start. And whenever this start function is called, we're going to show this message, starting the vehicle. Okay. Then we are having another class called car, which is a child of the vehicle class, or we can say it is derived from the vehicle class. And it also has a function called start. And whenever this start function is called, we are going to have this message, car starts with a key. Okay. And finally, we are having the third class called bike, which is derived from the vehicle class. It has a function called start again, and it is going to print bike starts with a button. Okay. So as you see, these two classes are derived from the vehicle class. So the vehicle class is our base class, or let's say parent class. And each of these classes are having a function with the same name. Actually, this means we are overriding the parent class because the parent class has a function called start, but the child class has a function with the same name. And I would like to now create an object of these two children's. Okay. The V1, which is my first object, is created from the class called car, and the V2 object is created from the class bike. Okay. Then we would like to use these two objects to call the start function. But which start function is going to be called in this situation when we are having overriding? Okay, when we are having overriding and we are creating an object from the car class, and when we use that object from the car class to call a start function, this start function is going to be called and not the parent one. And this is overriding actually because we are having a child class derived from the parent class and they're having a function that they are having the same name, identical names. Therefore, overriding means you have uh, the two functions with the same name. So we are overriding the main function that is inside the parent class. Okay. So here I use the object of the car class and I call the start function. And we expect that this car starts with a key message is going to be printed. Then I use the second object to call the start function again. And here we know that V2 was created from the bike class, and when we use that object and we call this function, we expect to have this in the output. Bike starts with a button. So when I run this code, we see car starts with a key message is shown in the output, which is this one from the car class, which is derived from the vehicle class. And also then this bike starts with a button message is shown because it is the print of the start function, from the bike class, which itself is derived from the vehicle class. So this is how we can implement overriding method in Python, that we have a parent class and, for example, two children classes. And inside the children classes, we are having functions with the same name as the parent class function. Thank you for watching.